Om Sri Sai Ram. My humble salutations to my beloved Bhagwan, respected elders, and my dear students. Hearty welcome to Differential Equations class, unit number 3. We will continue with problem number 9, d square y by dx square minus a square y equal to 0. The given equation in the operator form is written as d square minus a square of y equal to 0. So the auxiliary equation is m square minus a square equal to 0. So m square is equal to a square. Therefore m is equal to plus or minus a. Now the general solution is yc is equal to c1 e power ax plus c2 e power minus ax. Next problem number 10. Solve d cube y by dx cube minus 9 d square y by dx square plus 23 dy by dx minus 15y equal to 0. The given equation in operator form is fd of y equal to 0, where f of d equal to d cube minus 9d square plus 23d minus 15. So that is m cube minus 9m square plus 23m minus 15 equal to 0. Now if we put m is equal to 1, the equation becomes equal to 0. Therefore m is equal to 1 is a root. Hence m minus 1 is a factor. Now because the given equation is in m cube, we write m minus 1 3 times, and appropriately choosing the corresponding coefficients to this, we get the required equation. That is, multiply m minus 1 first with m square, then automatically it becomes m cube minus m square minus 8m square minus 1 plus 15 times m minus 1 equal to 0. So m minus 1 into m square minus 8m plus 15 equal to 0. That can be written as m minus 1 into m square minus 5m minus 3m plus 15 equal to 0. That is m minus 1 into, open the bracket, m into m minus 5 minus 3 into m minus 5 equal to 0. That is m minus 1 into m minus 3 into m minus 5 equal to 0. Therefore m is equal to 1, 3, 5. Therefore the solution is yc equal to c1 e power x plus c2 e power 3x plus c3 e power 5x. Next we are having problem number 11. D cube minus 2d square minus 3dx equal to 0 and d equal to d by dt. The given equation is of the form fd of x equal to 0, where f of d equal to d cube minus 2d square minus 3d, and the auxiliary equation is m cube minus 2m square minus 3m equal to 0. Therefore m into m square minus 2m minus 3 equal to 0. That can be written as m into m square minus 3m plus m minus 3 equal to 0. That is m into, open the bracket, m into m minus 3 plus m minus 3 equal to 0. So m into m plus 1 into m minus 3 equal to 0. Therefore m equal to 0 minus 1, 3. The general equation is yc. Here the function is x. So x is equal to c1 plus c2 into e power minus t plus c3 into e power 3t, because this is now next thing is, that is d cube y by dx cube minus 3 dy by dx plus 2y equal to 0. The given equation in the operator form is fd of y equal to 0, where f of d equal to d cube minus 3d plus 2. Auxiliary equation is m cube minus 3m plus 2 equal to 0. Therefore if you put m is equal to 1, the equation becomes 0. Therefore m is equal to 1 is a root, m minus 1 is a factor. So m square into m minus 1 plus m into m minus 1 minus 2 into m minus 1 becomes equal to 0. That is m minus 1 into m square plus m minus 2 equal to 0. Therefore m is equal to 1, and further m is equal to minus 1 plus or minus square root of 1 minus 4ac, that is 1 into minus 2 divided by 2. Therefore m is equal to minus 1 plus or minus 3 by 2, that is 1 comma minus 2. Therefore m is equal to 1, 1 minus 2. Hence the complementary function yc is equal to c1 plus c2x into e power x plus c3 into e power minus 2x. Next problem number 13. D power 4 plus 8d square plus 16y equal, operating on y equal to 0. The given equation in the operator form is fd of y equal to 0, where f of d equal to d power 4 plus 8d square plus 16. The auxiliary equation is f of m equal to 0. That implies m power 4 plus 8m square plus 16 equal to 0. That is nothing but m square plus 4 whole square equal to 0. Therefore m square is equal to minus 4 minus 4. Therefore m is equal to plus or minus 2i plus or minus 2i. The roots are repeated here. So y is equal to c1 plus c2x times cos 2x plus c3 plus 4x into sin 2x. Because if alpha plus or minus I beta is a root, then y is equal to, we know that formula, e power alpha x into c1 cos beta x plus c2 sin beta x. Next, problem number 14, d cube minus 14d plus 8 operating on y equal to 0. The given equation is of the form fd of y equal to 0, where f of d equal to d cube minus 14d plus 8. The auxiliary equation is f of m equal to 0, that is m cube minus 14m plus 8 equal to 0, and m is equal to minus 4 implies minus 64 plus 56 plus 8 equal to 0. Therefore, m is equal to minus 4 is a root, that implies m plus 4 is a factor. Now, because it is a cubic equation, once again you substitute m plus 4 4 times and adjust the factors. M square into m plus 4 minus 4m into m plus 4. So that becomes actually m cube plus 4m square minus 4m square. That gets cancelled. So we get minus 16m, but we require only minus 14m. So plus 2 into m plus 4. It is going to satisfy. Therefore, m plus 4 into m square minus 4m plus 2 equal to 0. Therefore, m is equal to minus 4, and further m is equal to 4 plus or minus square root of b square, 16 minus 4 ac, 4 into 1 into 2 divided by 2. That is 4 plus or minus root 8 by 2. That is 4 plus or minus 2 root 2 by 2. Therefore, m is equal to, now here we are having, if a plus root b is a root, plus or minus root b, that is if the roots are surds. Okay, another formula, yc is equal to e power ax into c1 cos h bx and c2 sin h bx. So yc becomes c1 e power minus 4x plus e power 2x into c2 cos h root 2x plus c3 sin h root 2x. So this is another new one. Okay. Next, we are going to discuss about the inverse operators. Viloma Parikarta. 1 by fd of q equal to integral q dx. 1 by d minus alpha of q equal to e power alpha x times integral q times e power minus alpha x dx. And further, 1 by fd of e power ax is equal to 1 by f of a into e power ax, where f of a is not equal to 0. That becomes x power k by k factor into 1 by phi of a times e power ax if f of a is equal to 0 and phi of f of d equal to d minus a whole power k into phi of d. That means here a is a factor, f of d repeated k times. So if q is a constant, say q is equal to L, then 1 by f of d of q equal to 1 by f of 0 L, that where f of 0 not equal to 0. Next, if q is equal to sin h ax, it can be written as 1 by 2 into e power x minus e power minus ax. Then 1 by f of d sin h ax is equal to 1 by 2 times f of d operating on e power ax minus e power minus ax. Another formula, if q is equal to cos h ax, then cos h ax is equal to 1 by 2 times of e power ax plus e power minus ax. And then further, 1 by f of d of cos h ax is equal to 1 by 2 times of 1 by f of d e power ax plus e power minus ax. fd of y equal to q, where q is sin bx or cos bx. Then case 1, 1 by f of d of sin bx is equal to 1 by phi of d square sin bx, that is equal to sin bx by phi of minus b square. Condition is phi of minus b square not equal to 0. Similarly, 1 by f of d of cos bx is equal to 1 by phi of d square cos bx. Further, that is cos bx by phi of minus b square. Condition phi of minus b square not equal to 0. I hope that is clear. Next, case 2, if phi of minus b square is equal to 0, then what is going to happen? 1 by d square plus b square operating on sin bx is equal to minus x by 2b into cos bx. 1 by d square plus b square cos bx is equal to x by 2b sin bx. And further, now consider problem number 15. 1 by 15 problem part A. 1 by d plus 1 operating on x, that is nothing but 1 by d minus of minus 1 operating on x. But 1 by d minus alpha of q, what is that? E power alpha x into integral q e power minus alpha x dx. Therefore, 1 by d minus of minus 1 x operating on x is equal to e power alpha. What is alpha? Minus 1. So, e power minus x integral x e power x dx. So, e power minus x integral x into derivative of e power x. That is nothing but e power minus x into x e power x minus integral e power x dx. Similarly, now 1 by d plus 1 of x is equal to e power minus x into x e power x minus e power x. That is nothing but x minus 1. Now b part, 1 by d minus 2 operating on e power 2x. So e power 2x into integral e power 2x into e power minus 2x dx. So that is nothing but e power 2x into integral 1 dx. That is simply e power 2x into x. So the answer is e power 2x into x. C. 1 by d plus 3 operating on cos x. E power minus 3x into integral cos x into e power 3x dx. So integral e power ax into cos bx dx is equal to e power ax by a square plus b square times a cos bx plus b sin bx. Therefore 1 by d plus 3 operating on cos x is equal to e power minus 3x as it is. Now the integral becomes e power 3x by, what is the coefficient of e power ax? There the exponential function coefficient is 3 and the trigonometric function coefficient is 1. So what is a? A is equal to 3 and what is b? B is equal to 1. So e power 3x by 3 square plus 1 square times a cos bx. A is equal to 3. A is equal to, here it is a mistake, it should be a cos bx. What is a? 3 cos x plus sin x it should be. It is a mistake. So actually it should be, here it should be 3 cos 3x, 3 cos x and 1 sin x. Here it should be 3 and it should be 1 here. So 3 cos x plus 1 into sin x by 10. I hope that is clear. Okay, thank you. Now problem number 16a. Okay, we are going to stop here. Thank you for watching this video.